one, fear of being attacked. Some of our teachers came. They came and they were all hibernating because no person wants to be hurt because of the insecurity around the state.
When AIT visited major streets in Owerri, the Imo State capital, almost all the markets and shops were under lock and key. However, the city witnessed partial human and vehicular movement. Some residents spoke on the effect of the sit-at-home order.
There was a conflicting order yesterday, purportedly came from Nnamdi Kanu's brother, telling people to go about their normal business. And there was also there was a news that IPOB later countered it. I think that might have contributed to compliance of the sit-at-home order.
The sit-at-home is supposed to be very, very serious, in the sense that if you are an average Igbo man, if you are born and brought up in Igbo, if you have an Igbo blood, as Yoruba are doing theirs, all of them went to Benin Republic for Igboho to seek for asylum. So why can't we sit at home for them to release our brother?
Blaming the federal government, they condemned the inability of the authorities to address challenges facing the southeast region of the country.
And we are calling for the federal government of Nigeria to release him and call for a dialogue.
The solution is to divide this nation.
Meanwhile, the police in Imo State paraded 29 suspected operatives of Eastern Security Network linked to Indigenous People of Biafra across the state.
I am glad to report to you that in the last 24 hours, the Nigerian Police Force, Imo State Command, undertook aggressive interdiction patrol and arrest of persons operating under the umbrella of ESN with avowed commitment to truncate our normal life and prevent Monday's activities in Imo State.
The police commissioner in Imo State enjoined residents to ignore the sit-at-home order and reassured Imo residents of their commitment in protecting lives and property.
I saw so many people that are walking, some Okada people. So I decided, so okay, maybe they decided to do it like that. But for me, it's not as if I don't want to adhere to the sit-at-home instructions. But at least for someone to survive, if you stay at home, you don't have anything to eat, I don't know how you will survive.
No, with time, this market will be full with people, and you can see that every gate is open, no gate is shut down, so that which you cannot say that we are restricting people to come.
But here, but like we now be Yoruba, we don't know that anything they go on here because now Igbo language then they speak. I think they hear now. Now make you see me here today.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.